Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. Talking about today is the G20 meet of Agri and Water Ministers. Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat attended a virtual meeting of G20 Agriculture and Water Ministers. The meeting was also attended by Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Parshottam Rupala. The Government of India is implementing the Jal Jeevan Mission to provide household tap connections to 190 million rural homes, thereby ensuring drinking water security. So let us talk about the details of this meeting. About Open Defecation Free India, they were informed about the efforts to sustain the gains of Swachh Bharat Mission with more focus on solid and liquid waste management and grey treatment and reuse. The technology plays a critical role in the prevailing pandemic situation and applauded India's IT expertise, which it shares with the whole world. As a part of this dialogue, a 3-day meeting was organized from September 10th to 12th. India will be a part of G20 Troika from December 2020 and host G20 presidency from December 2020 to November 2022, when it celebrates its 75 years of independence, which will be an excellent opportunity for G20 member countries to explore the cultural heritage and various aspects of the world's largest democracy and ancient civilization. The minister also reiterated India's to resolve the work together in collaboration to enhance productivity, sustainable use of natural resources, development of agriculture value chain, and promotion of trade for the benefit of people. He also informed them about the protocols developed by India to use drones for spraying of pesticides from timely control of desert locusts and appealed to be the G20 member countries to work in the tandem and come up with an action plan for transboundary pests and diseases to safeguard agricultural crops. So that's it for today. Thank you so very much for watching KSGindia.com. Stay tuned for more informative videos.